Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. I know it's been a hot minute. I know that it's been a while, and there goes my phone again for the 50th time today, and I want you to stop. I'm gonna have to like set a timer for myself and let myself know that like every single time. I am so sorry, my hair looks so frizzy. I just recently washed it, and I try my best not to blow dry my hair after I wash it, because if I do, it just gets even drier. Anyways, so with that being said, so today, obviously, you guys already have read from the title that I am recreating the makeup look from Lady Gaga at the Grammys. So that's what I went ahead and I did today. I hope that you guys like it. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this video started.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Howdy y'all, it's been a hot minute. Okay, so today we are going to be recreating this beautiful like Lady Gaga look from the Grammys, and of course I saw it and immediately was like, I have to do it. So that's what we're going to be doing. I just think it's so stunning. Like, it's so simple, but yet it's so elegant. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the very first shade that I'm going to jump into, which this has like a very delicate fade, however this right here is really simple. It's a really simple look, especially the look that Gaga was wearing for the Grammys. However, I'm going to go ahead and put my own little finesse on it. So I'm going to go in with this right here shade. This right here is in the Morphe 35OM. So I'm going to jump into this one right here and kind of put it all over the crease and the lid of the eye. And then of course we're going to jump directly into some winged eyeliner. Then of course after that we're going to take the actual same shade and we're going to go right underneath the eye, and we're going to use like a smaller kind of like dome brush to go ahead and do that with.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Okay, so right after that we're going to jump into this right here. This right here is like pretty much the only actual black eyeliner that I typically have. This right here is the Black Track Clear Line by MAC Cosmetics. I know a lot of my vegan audience is going to be screaming at me, but please understand it's like the only thing that I have right now. So I'm going to go ahead and use that, and then go ahead and finish this look. However, if you do happen to have a cream eyeliner that is from NYX or any other vegan quality company, of course use that. It will work exactly the same as long as it is a nice matte black. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of my Kat Von D liner, and I'm actually going to fill in that space between my lashes and my waterline. Now going in with the rainbow palette from Morphe, we're going to go in with this black color, and we're going to use a smaller brush, and we're going to use this to smudge around at the top and at the lower lash line, but I'm actually going to use this brush, that way we don't contaminate that brush with a different color. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so the rest of this makeup look has a, it kind of has like a glitterish like overlay to it, and there's my phone. Everything wants to sound off today. So this look has like a glitterish tone to it. So I have two different glitters. I have one from the Saint & Sinner palette, and I have one from the Too Faced palette, and they both kind of look like this. So I'm gonna kind of like, it kind of is like everywhere. So it's like all over the blacks, all over the brow bone, it's all underneath. It's kind of like all over the place. So I'm going to, I think I'm going to go with a little bit of both of them and just kind of see what that does. And so what I'm going to use is I'm going to use like just this right here brush in particular, so that way I can just kind of like dab it in those areas. But except for the brow bone area, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use just a little bit of water in an old Fix Plus bottle that I have for the actual like crease. And I think I'm going to use the glitter tone one from the Saint & Sinner, which is that one, and I'm going to use that one to kind of do like the brow bone. Just a little bit more Fix Plus. Okay, and then with this brush right here, I'm going to use it on the Too Faced Glitter Bomb palette, and I'm going to kind of like dab that everywhere. And then with this brush, I'm going to use this for a little bit of the glitter bomb for underneath the eye. And if you do ask, yes, I went ahead and did mascara anyways. for my top and bottom lashes, which are the Better Than Sex. Okay, so after doing the glitter bomb and the Saint Center palette for this kind of like shimmery, kind of like bold cat eye look, we're going to go ahead and move on over to lashes, which I'm going to do off camera, and then we are going to move on to contouring and the lip color for this look. Okay, so for contouring, of course I'm going to go in with the Shade and Light contour palette by Kat Von D. As you guys know, this is like one of my favorites, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with this. I'm going to use one of my oval brushes because from what I can tell in the picture, they contour the bejesus out of her face. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with that, and I'm going to knock some of the fallout off, and go ahead and start contouring in.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up.
Okay, now that my hair is like all fluffed out around the edges. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with this right here, Tarte blush, which is called Party, with this. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so for highlight, they did quite a bit of highlight on her face. She's very, very dewy. So whoever her makeup artist is, that's exactly what they did. So I'm going to go in with this right here, which is like this nice, beautiful shade of like white color. I'm going to go in with this brush to really define the highlight. Okay, so after that, as far as lips go, so from what I can tell, she has a darker outside color and a brighter inside color, as well as a gloss. So I have 3 shades right here. One is by Lips by Victoria, the other one is by NYX Cosmetics, and the other one is by, I guess it's something. I want to say it's like Dose of Colors, but I don't think it is. So it's this one right here. And then of course, Lips by Victoria, as well as that one. So yeah. Okay, so for this right here lip look in particular, I'm going to use a brush like this right here for this right here's look, but I need to clean off the brush first. Okay, so I already have a little bit of the NYX lipstick along with the angled brush, and I'm going to go ahead and start outlining my lip area.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give.
Okay, so after outlining my lips in that color, I'm gonna go in with this right here, Color by Lips by Victoria. I'm just gonna go ahead and use like a little bit of this color. And then I'm going to take this right here brush. Okay, so we have a nice dab of pink along with the outline done. And then we're going to go in with our lip gloss, which is this one. And then we are going to go ahead and put that on everywhere. You hear that pop? And we are done. Very simple, very elegant makeup look. After I just rejected somebody else's phone call. Don't know who they are. Unknown number, you know. One of those. So, yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, definitely. It's been quite some time. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have been saying that in the comments. Long time no see. Anyways, so with that being said, I hope that you guys liked today's video, so please give it a big thumbs up and support my channel, as well as like and subscribe, become a part of the Angel group, or the Angel Army, however you prefer to say it, and I will see you next time.